Welcome to the Oxford International School. Assalam-o-Alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you will be fine. I am your teacher. My name is Nida. So first of all, start with the name of Allah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our topic is topic 4. I am a, I am an. For nursery class students. So let's start. Topic 4. I am a, I am an. First of all, introduction. An is for words that begin with A, E, I, O, U. For example, it is an apple. It is an egg. It is an igloo. It is an owl. It is an umbrella. A is for words that begin with B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. For example, I am a duck. I am a hen. It is a jug. Activity 1. Click on the correct word A or N to complete the sentences. So, it is dash egg. Egg, first letter is vowel word, so it is an egg. Next is I am dash hen. Hen, first word is not vowel word, so correct answer is A. I am a hen. It is dash elephant. Elephant, first word is vowel word, so its correct answer is an. It is an elephant. Next is I am dash octopus. Octopus, first letter is vowel word, so correct answer is an. I am an octopus. Next is it is dash cow. Cow, first letter is not vowel word, so right answer is A. It is a cow. Next is it is dash arrow. Arrow, first letter is vowel word, so its answer is an. It is an arrow. Very nice. Congratulations, you have completed your topic 4. So please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more videos.